In this lesson, we will discuss what principles are. So what is a principle? The principle can be thought of as almost a law because it only describes how something behaves under some specific conditions. So a law is much more general than a principle and describes how nature works no matter where you are. This is basically the only difference between the two. But let's look at an example to help clarify things. So, an example of a principle. One of the most famous principles is called the Archimedes principle. It basically says that if you were to drop an object in some sort of fluid, typically water, then the volume of water that would be displaced by the object is equal to the volume of the object. This basically means, say, if you had a glass of water that was filled to the brim and you threw some ice in it, the water that falls out or leaks out of the glass is equal to the same volume of the ice that you just put in. So the reason that this statement is only a principle is that it only talks about fluids and volumes. Therefore, it cannot be applied to something that doesn't deal with fluids and volumes. However, keep in mind, though, that principles are still very useful in helping our understanding of the universe. You should not always pay attention to them and don't disregard them. Right? I hope this has helped your understanding of principles.